In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable Windows 10 and make it a wireless hotspot. So first thing you need to do is you need to go to your task menu, right click down here and go to settings. From settings, you want to click on network and internet. From here, you're going to see an option on the left side called Mobile Hotspot. If you don't see that option, then that means you don't have a wireless card on your PC. You have to make sure you have a wireless card, otherwise this will not show up. From here, when you first set this up, it's gonna be turned off. And I'm currently connected using my wireless adapter to my wireless network. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose my internet connection, where it's going to be shared from, the type of connection, which is wireless, and I'm going to turn this on. Once I turn that on, if you look into the control panel, adapter settings, it actually creates a wireless bridge, or it creates a virtual adapter in order for you to be able to use the hotspot capabilities of Windows 10. So once you turn that on, it tells you your network ID and the password. So if you go to your device, under the wireless settings on my iPhone, if I click Wi-Fi, even though I'm already connected to my home network, it's gonna pick up my hotspot from Windows 10. So if I click that, in your case, you will type in this password here, and it will basically connect. And this is useful if the wireless connection is not as good on mobile devices, but you get a great connection on your computer and you want to share that to your mobile device. Then this is how you create a mobile hotspot in Windows 10. Well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave your comment below and don't forget to subscribe.